my name is Koelliker, and I'm Director of Consulting here at Sensory Spectrum. I'm a food scientist and a trained chef. One of my personal passions is Sensory Spectrum's Pairings program. Pairing is the art and science of matching or accentuating flavor notes based on chemical commonalities or contrasts. We use this technique to help our clients refine or innovate new products. Today, we're going to be talking about Thanksgiving pairings. Sage, rosemary, and thyme are seasonally available herbs that lend complementary flavor notes to the turkey, onion, and celery or other vegetables that you might be serving. To add interest or modernize these traditional flavors, you can utilize citrus fruits, which are also seasonally available in the winter thanks to food science. Try rubbing your turkey with a compound butter of mixed citrus and herbs. The terpene notes in the herbs pair well with the terpene notes of the citrus. Also, the floral and fruity notes in the citrus add interest and lightness to a fairly rich and heavy meal. A simple update to traditional cranberry sauce will help bring some new flavors to your table. Take a look. Whether you include citrus or not, we hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving. Happy pairing!